Look at, we're getting close to, look at the big buildings. You can't see those buildings? What you talk about?
I can't see especially
You can't see it because you got wet hands? Ugh. You got goopy hands? Ew.
I got soapy wet.
Soapy, yucky. What's down there? Here, I got you, baby. I'll hold it. All right, let's go up the steps. Right here.
I see it.
You see it? You see the Statue of Liberty? We'll get it. We'll get it. Whoop, I almost fell too. Go. We gotta put your Crocs in sport mode. Go up the next set of steps. Up here. Right there. Right here. Sophia. Right here. Come on.
Did you do it? Hey, look, you didn't miss it. Good job, buddy.
Can I do it? I'm king of the world.
Huh? You want to move over closer to the left if you want to see it.
We're looking at there was a dome-shaped building over there made of glass. It was kind of cool.
Yeah, we saw that, and there was a
Subway?
pyramid style thing.
Yeah, with the weird little thing in the center.
We're moving.
No way.
We're going at a solid 10 knots.
Nah, 10 knots is parking.
How fast is 10 knots?
10 knots is like 8 miles an hour.
It's just
Because we're in the ocean.
Yeah.
Have to go by now.
Because things are measured differently when you're out in the ocean. It's not like roads or anything like that. That's why you can never say right or left. There's starboard and port. Aft and forward. Because if you're standing like this, you could think left is that way because it depends on where you're standing.
No, if you look at what's it
I'm gonna
called?
make Andy join the game.
Why?
So you can learn.
And that was my first job as a founder, was building a lamp post.